So what is going on, guys? Welcome to today's video where we're going to be checking out James's car here, and it's going to be getting hand lettered. I'm very excited to see this, so let's jump right into the video.
What color do you think will go good with that mint green, like a black and white maybe? Just out of curiosity.
Yeah, we probably gonna use several different colors.
Okay. It's the first time I've actually done it with this way. I had a wrap last year.
Right.
So we've officially started here. I say we're watching. Oh, I got James's numbers on. Pretty neat. So how long have you been painting cars and doing all the
42 years.
42? Wow.
I learned my first race car when I was 12 years old.
12 years old.
Yeah.
You do like pin striping and everything too?
Yeah. I painted custom golf carts, motorcycles.
Bunch of race cars too.
Yeah. Well, I used to paint a bunch of them, but
Yeah.
it's done got to where everybody wants to go with the decals. So,
Right.
well, they're convenient.
So you always start with like a little stencil for it, and then
Well, it's kind of sometimes I just draw it on there. I like to use a stencil because it's even. It all looks the same.
right. Do you have like a website or anything like that where you
No.
just phone number or something? So we'll put that in our video so that way
Yeah.
if people need to get this stuff I've never seen a car hand letter, so I was pretty excited to come over here and come watch. You've done quite a few cars around here.
Yeah.
A race at Lancaster and all that. That's pretty neat. And what's your name again?
Tommy.
Thom E. Well, that's awesome. Can't wait to see some paint on this thing.
Yeah.
I know James is ready to see it.
Oh yeah.
We're talking shit about you.
I'm used to it.
Oh, okay.
Where did that go?
Blue.
He went right back there.
One of the dog ran off you.
I gotta investigate the world.
So do you have like a set price for like a whole car, or is it just how many decals or how much?
Well, I usually start out about $200, and
Wow.
depends on what I got to go through to get the end result.
Yeah. And that's crazy because I figured it would be more expensive to do this, but a wrap's roughly what, about 500 some odd dollars?
Yeah. Well, I guess the thing about a wrap is, it's easy to do, but there's so much money in the materials.
Right.
Which paint's done got outrageous now, so it's,
That's cool. Yeah, because James told me that and I was kind of surprised.
right.
So we've moved inside. Car was getting a little hot outside, but I think that's pretty much everything. I think we're going to start seeing some paint, maybe. We got James' colors over here. Look pretty good. I'm pretty excited to see what it's going to look at. So the reason we don't have lights on, the power is out. So Duke is.
Didn't pay the power bill.
Yeah, he didn't. He spent all his money on his race car. He didn't pay his power bill. So I'll try to film the best I can, but it still looks like it's pretty good. We should still be able to see stuff.
That's pretty damn close for a tank.
Damn, that's almost spot on.
Perfect.
I'll say roll with it. I like it.
So guys, we're back here in the shop. I left a little early the other day, so I didn't get to catch some of this other stuff that this guy added. He did some more like outline, like around the lettering and whatnot. Here looks really good. He started on that lower sponsor, and back here he's getting some work done. Sorry for the light glare, but yeah, it's looking pretty good. So hopefully this thing will get finished up sometime today. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the video. If you are, let us know in the comments below. So guys, that's all the time we have for today. This has been something that was really neat to watch. It was pretty incredible to see the talent that goes into hand lettering a race car. I know James is real proud of this car, but when it starts getting used, obviously it's going to get beaten and banged on. So we're definitely enjoying it right now while we're still under quarantine. So I hope all of you are staying safe and healthy. But with that, I want to say a quick shout out to our sponsors, Whiskey Prison and Carolina Racing Supply. I also want to say a quick shout out to our Patreon supporters for everything that they do and continue to do. We will be making a video announcement on our Patreon here before too long on the new tiers and the new memberships we have. But with that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Thank you so much for watching the video, and as always, we will see you in the next video.